So, for today's finds, we have a diversion sign, diverted footpath, a couple of scooters, because I've been in my waders, some frisbees and a toy, all sorts of miscellaneous stuff. That's ceramic, so who knows what that is. And then got some nice tempies, they'll clean up all right. A funny fan in a ball, not quite sure what that's from, but that's different. I'm not sure if this is anything, so just going to give that a little clean up. And just some various fishing tackle bits. And yeah, more fishing tackle. Yeah, and a few 2Ps and 1Ps. Oh, and it's plastic, but dog fouling sign. So that's different. And some fence posts. And then bike lock in there somewhere. Pretty sure that is off one of the toilet doors, which is next to this part of the river. But hey ho, not a bad day.